Thanks for watching this video. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how we make laksa. Let's get started. You need a little finger of turmeric, 1 sweet onion, 1 garlic toe, 1 chili pepper, remove the seeds, 1 inch of ginger, 1 or 2 tablespoons fish sauce, 1 or 1.5 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1.5 tablespoon sunflower, a half tablespoon 5 spices, and 1.5 tablespoon of coconut milk. Oh no! I forgot to put one thing on the ingredients list, and that's the lemon. We're going to grate the lemon peel, just like 1 or 2 times, and that's enough. Well guys, now it's time for some action. Let's get started. So we start with the sweet onion that we cut in coarse pieces. After you cut the pieces, you can put them in the measuring cup. Then we're going to add 1 garlic toe, and we do the same as with the onion. The chili pepper, the spicy one. Don't forget to remove the seeds, otherwise it's too spicy. Exactly the same as with the garlic and the onion. Cut in pieces and put it in the measuring cup. The ginger, repeat the same as we did with the onion, the garlic and the red pepper. Let's add the 5 spices. A half tablespoon, it's really tasty. The lemon, let's grate 2 times the peel of this beautiful lemon. Then add 1 or 1.5 tablespoon of sesame oil, a few drops of fish sauce, or if you like more, a half or 1 tablespoon. The curcuma or the turmeric, we use in this tutorial the powder, and then you use 1 teaspoon. If you use fresh turmeric, it's pinky size. Biological sunflower oil, add 1.5 tablespoon. And last but not least, the coconut milk. Add 1.5 tablespoon to get that really good flavor. Wow, that was a lot of noise at mixing. But hey, your tasty sauce for the laksa is ready. Let's go to part 2 of making laksa. For part 2, you need 350 or 400 gram chicken meat, some black pepper, chili powder, salt, 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil, pumpkin, sweet potatoes, some rice noodles, and papadums. So let's start with the pumpkin. You can cut the pumpkin in half and then remove the seeds. Remove the peel of the pumpkin. Cut the pumpkin in coarse pieces and after that in little pieces. Now do exactly the same with the sweet potatoes. Remove the peel of the sweet potatoes and cut them in pieces. Add the pieces sweet potato and pumpkin together in a pan. Add some water, some broth, and let them cook al dente. When the pieces of pumpkin and sweet potatoes are al dente, then you can pour off the broth. After that, you can put all the pieces back in the pan. Then add your laksa sauce. Time to put the broth back into the pan. Let's get ready to bake the chicken meat. We bake the chicken meat with some sunflower oil. You can add a little bit pepper or salt. And if you like spicy, some chili powder. When the chicken meat is cooked, you can add the meat into the pan by the other ingredients. And last but not least, you can add some rice noodles or mihoen. Well, it's already evening here in the Netherlands, so I'm going to eat my laksa. Don't forget to serve the laksa with papadums. And what else? Let me know. If you like this recipe, leave your thumb up and subscribe to my channel.